If you have some damage to a wood surface like a dining room table, kitchen cabinets, or some other fine piece of furniture, don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. Now we have an example of a piece of wood here with a little bit of a water stain. You may have this in your own home. Maybe you brought a pizza home and you put it down on a table and you got a heat ring or a cup of coffee or water damage on some wood. You can repair it using a product like this, which is called a wood amalgamator. Basically what this does is, with the right tools, you can take that finish and rejuvenate it almost like like giving it a face peel. So what you want to do is find this product. It comes in different finishes. This is the neutral. Open it up and put it in some kind of pan. Now this is a petroleum-based product, so you want to make sure that you're using it in a well-ventilated area. I would also tell you to wear some gloves because it's, it can sting a little bit, and you want to make sure you wear some safety glasses as well. Now, you're going to take some steel wool. This is quadruple zero steel wool. The more zeros, the finer the wool, and you're going to go ahead and dip that in there and soak it up, almost like a little bit of a sponge. And when you do that, you're going to wring a little bit out, and then come on over here, and with the grain, you want to use even pressure back and forth with that steel wool. This is going to help to sort of take that little bit of discoloration or the water stain off. You don't want it to sit there too long. You're going to take a clean rag, you want to wipe that away, and you're going to see that by doing that, it's going to bring that finish back to life. So dining room table, a chest of drawers, anything that has a wood finish, you can fix it in 15 minutes.